Right then, picture this, a 10-ton robot rolling across the battlefield, and instead of shooting missiles, it fries drones with microwaves. Not your kitchen kind, mind you. This is the Leonidas AR, the world's first high-pulse microwave robot from Epirus and General Dynamics Land Systems. Leonidas AR combines Epirus's Leonidas high-power microwave weapon with GDLS's TRX unmanned ground vehicle. The TRX is a hybrid electric AI enhanced and can travel over 300 miles on one charge, with a top speed of around 45 miles an hour. Think of it as a self-driving tank that hates drones. Now, the Leonidas part fires bursts of high-powered microwave that disables the electronics of enemy drones, literally knocking them out of the sky in seconds. Unlike missiles or guns, the system doesn't shoot anything physically. It uses invisible electromagnetic pulses, kind of like an electronic thunderclap, that overload drone circuits. Even better, it's software defined, so operators can fine-tune frequencies, create safe zones to protect friendly tech, and even update the system remotely. It's precise, fast, and surprisingly eco-friendly compared to old-school hardware. Here's where it gets interesting for Americans. This isn't just a military gadget, it's a glimpse of the future. Low-cost defense, each shot is basically electricity, not a $100,000 missile. Protects infrastructure, airports, stadiums, and borders could all use this tech against rogue drones. Software upgradable, it adapts as threats evolve. Safe and non-explosive. It disables, not destroys. And that's your robot news update for today. If you're curious how robotics can transform your business, head over to RoboPhil website to join the waiting list or speak to the team about robotics. Don't forget to subscribe to stay in the loop with the latest updates. I'm RoboPhil from RoboPhil. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.